Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. How you doing today? I'm back with another job lead, guys. Zoom is currently hiring. This particular box that you're currently looking at, where it says "Didn't find the perfect role," share your information, and we'll keep you informed of future career opportunities with Zoom. When you just type in your name, your last name. I was over here searching on careers. I'm on Zoom like every day, guys. So I said, let me click on the careers to see what Zoom is currently hiring for. And so I just typed in remote. But if you wanted to come and type in your name and information for Zoom to be able to follow up with you on any roles that they have for future career opportunities, this is the box that you would click on. So I'm going to close that. And so it says we're hiring. Zoom is excited to offer a flexible working environment for our employees. You would choose from 3 role styles: remote, hybrid, or in person, based on your needs and the requirements of the role. Remote or hybrid are options that are available in most cases unless otherwise indicated. So I just came here, I typed in remote roles. If you just only want remote roles, you can just click on this particular box and click search. I had already just typed in remote, and these are the jobs that came up. So they have public sector channel leader, digital optimization senior product manager, and they have e-commerce senior product manager. Now they're hiring worldwide, guys. So this job is in the United States. This job is in the United States, but you happen to come through here and you'll check, you'll see it's in different areas like Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Japan, Netherlands, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, guys, Amsterdam, Austin, Bay Area, Boston, Chicago, Denver, Hong Kong, Indonesia, London, Mumbai, New York City, and Paris, Portland. They have 49 remote roles. San Jose, Seattle, Singapore, Southern California, Sydney, and all the other countries that they have here. So I just wanted to come and do a quick video, guys, share my job lead with you. Super excited that Zoom is currently hiring, guys. Here's another one in Saudi Arabia: senior customer success manager, stock plan administrator, enterprise account executive. This is in Canada. Contact center specialist in Germany. Developer for professional services. And they also have DevOps engineer, Zoom contact center solutions engineer. So just to name a few jobs, they have the benefits up here on what they're offering: engineering, home, university program. So guys, come to Zoom. I am super excited for whoever gets one of these roles, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. I love you lots. I appreciate you lots. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.